Hey guys, so I'm going to show the full setup process for the Switch 2. The process is pretty simple. First, just open up the box. Right now you only need the top parts here. The two Joy-Cons and a Switch. Go and remove these from the bags. Okay, there's a pre-installed screen protector. Make sure not to remove it. The Joy-Cons now are magnetic. They go on very easily. Just match up the colors. Just like that. To turn it on, you're just going to hold the power button. Right there. Just hold for a few seconds to see the Nintendo logo. You're first just going to choose your language. To select, you can either press A or press with your finger. Select your region. Just agree to the terms and conditions. Press B to go back. Select OK. Press Next. Press on Internet Settings. Just go and connect to your network. Press OK. Gonna download a system update, press Next. Go and select your time zone. Change playstyle, press Next. Right here is just telling you different playstyles, press Using Stand. To disconnect the Joy-Cons, you're just going to hold the button right here. Just like that. The same for the right one. Press Next. Right here, if you want, you can connect to your TV, but I think it's best to do that later on. I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the video. Right here, if you want, you can view the attachment guide, but I'll skip this. Choose a style. I'm going to do the first one. Press OK. Ready to update the system, press Update. The system update is complete, press OK. Alright, very important, if you do have a Switch 1, I would definitely recommend transferring your data. The thing is you cannot do this after you load up your system. So yeah, if you have a Switch 1, go and start the system transfer. Hey, if you have a microSD express card, go and insert it. But I'm going to skip this. Go and sign into your Nintendo account. To sign in, you can just scan this QR code with your phone's camera. Put in the 5-digit code on your phone. Press OK. Just make sure it's the correct account, press OK. Just grab your Switch 1, press Next. You're going to need the AC adapter from the box. These parts right here, plug them in. Plug into the wall. Bring over the other system, press Done. Okay, so on your Switch 1, the Switch 1 is going to your system settings. Go down to the bottom, press System. System transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. The transfer is going to be all your data. For more information, press About, but otherwise press Next. Just press OK. The data is going to be moved, it's not going to be copied. Just make sure you're okay not having the data on your Switch 1. Just go down to the bottom, press Next. This one I'm also going to have to connect to the AC adapter. To switch to, you're going to press Start Download. The data has been sent, press OK. To download's complete, press Next. The next step is you can transfer stuff from your microSD on your old switch to the new one. Just press Next. Press Done. Just take out the microSD from your old one, put in the new. Put in the microSD. Press Next, update the system. Press on Update System. To download games on a Switch 2 microSD card, you're going to have a microSD Express card. The microSD card can now be used. Press Next. Press on Start Copying. The screenshots and videos were saved to the system memory. Press OK. Go and remove the microSD. The microSD card has been removed. Press Next. Press on Restart System. And the system transfer is complete. Press OK. To go to the Home menu, just press Home. Now I'm also going to show you how you can redeem the free game if your console came with one. Just for example, the Mario Kart bundle. Okay, final part, if you want to connect to your TV. Go and grab the dock from your box. The back part comes off like this. Right here you're going to plug in the AC adapter. Plug in the HDMI as well. The other end of the HDMI goes into your TV. Bring the cables down, put on the back. Remove the Joy-Cons. Put in the Switch 2. Just grab this from your box. Alright, now if your Switch is not already on, just hold the home button. Press the home button. Go for the settings. If your TV is HDR, definitely do this. One more thing, if you got the system bundle that comes with a free game. Just for example, the Mario Kart bundle. To redeem this, go to the Nintendo eShop. Go and sign in. Just scroll down to the bottom, press enter code. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.